Tired of noisy, crack-prone demolition methods? Dive into the future with Hydrodemolition. Hydrodemolition is a cutting-edge technique that uses high-pressure water jets to remove concrete precisely and easily. This method delivers controlled results by harnessing the power of water's impact and targeting the porous structure of concrete. Operators can fine-tune pressure, flow, and timing to achieve the perfect surface texture for coatings. Two types of machines dominate the field. Robotic systems, boasting 500 horsepower engines and pressures up to 1,000 bars, and manual machines which exceed 1,500 bars with manageable recoil. Hydrodemolition is eco-friendly, vibration-free, and preserves metal reinforcements, making it the ultimate demolition solution. Subscribe for more.